Hello everyone, this is third experiment of full stack. So designing a web page using CSS selectors layout box models. Firstly, doc type HTML, which declares this an HTML5 document, tells browser to use modern HTML rules. Then HTML language as EN, which opens the root HTML element language as EN, signals the page language. Then start of the document head, metadata and resources. Then meta char set as UTF-8, set character encoding to UTF-8 so most characters display correctly. Then meta name as viewport content, makes the page responsive on the mobile viewport with equals device width and initial zoom is 1. The text shown in the browser tab or title bar has title, then link HRAF which loads the Lato font from the Google Fonts. Then style begins in internal CSS blog. All styles between style tag will apply to the page. Style tag in the body, background color as white, sets the page background to white. Dot header h2 font size, font family, font weight, text align, text decoration, color, margin, top. Targets any h2 inside an element with class header. It sets font size to 48px, uses the Lato font, bold, weight, centers, thin text, underline it, colors it green. Then at the dot gallery part, display flex wrap gap, justify content. Styles the dot gallery container using flexbox. Display flex turns it into a flex container. Flex wrap allows items to wrap around to the next row, and gap as 20px adds uniform spacing between items. Then image, background color as light blue, which adds a light blue background to all image elements. Then dot card, width as 250px, height 180px, border radius is 10px, overflow hidden, box shadow 04px, 8px RGB. Styles each dot card, fixed width and height, border radius as 10px, round corners, overflow hidden, clips child content that exceeds the box. Then box shadow adds a soft shadow for depth. Next, dot card image as width, height, object fit and display, which targets image inside dot card. And width and height sets to fill the card. Object fit as cover, crops or scales the image to fully cover the box while preserving aspect ratio. Displays block removes inline gap below images. Then we will close the style tag and the head tag. Next, again starting with the body tag, which will begins the visible page content. Then division class as header, container with header used to hold the page heading. Next, h2 style as color green, which is the name called crop leaf, which is the heading, and h2 heading that displays crop leaf. It is also includes an inline style as color green. Then we'll close the division tag. Next, adds division class gallery. Starts the gallery container that holds the image cards. The dot gallery CSS will control layout as division class card image source. Then card that displays an image file as 1.jpg alt leaf 1 provides alternative text for accessibility and while the image fails to load. This line contains a stray period before the division tag. A period will appear as a literal dot. Then the source uses a Windows absolute file path, browser on the other devices or versus don't be able to load this path. On local files, open the directory in the browser it. Then it will put images in the same folder and uses as 2GB. Then division class has totally with 8 cards. Then each of this line creates another card with an image same and prefer relative for web URLs rather than other. Then it will make sure the file names and paths are correct, otherwise image won't load. We have given light blue background while show instead. Then we have shown in the output has crop leaf. This is the gallery card and this was the third experiment. Thank you.